Alright, now I'm going to show you how to add audio fade in and fade out. Well, it's a really cool effect I say because you're going to get a normal slow pitch to increasing of a high pitch. This is really cool I say. You can of course add it manually by creating this animation of by increasing decreasing level, but to make the work easier for you I brought you some presets which are already in the effects section, so it's really easy. All you need to do is either type in fade, or you can expand this audio effects, I meant audio transitions. Click on crossfade, and as you can see we have all these three options. So first what we need to do is select the option which we want and then click upon it and drag it and drop it to your audio. So for now I'll use exponential fade, which I'll go drop it exactly on this audio. So let's try it again. So you should only put it before the effects or upon the effects in the audio, and as soon as you do that you're going to get this exponential fade. So the other question which might rise in your brain is, how should I increase the duration? So we have one option. What you need to do is the normal, when you add it normally it looks like this. You can zoom it and then you'll see the option which you have just added. Click upon it and then either you can what we say type a duration, or you can just drag it and drop it till the part you want. So let's play the video and let's see how the audio looks now. Well, let's try it again. Well, let's try it again. I can't find a difference. Well, there is a difference. We can notice it slightly. Let's try to increase the sensitivity of it. Is there a possible way? Nope, I don't think so. Anyway, so what we'll do is delete this and then let's play the audio and let's see if there's a difference. So let's delete it. Let's play it from beginning. Okay, now let's play it with this or what we say transition. Well, there is a difference I say. You're getting a noise cancellation and then it's increasing its decibels slowly when this transition is getting over. So yes, it works, and this is how you add a fade in option to your audio. Of course you might be wondering how to add a fade out. It's nothing but if you have another audio at the after the first audio, you can do the same thing. Add this option to the second audio, and as soon as you do that you are going to get a fade in for the next audio, which is going to somewhat look like a fade out for the previous audio. So yes, and yeah, this is how you add a fade in and fade out for your audio. It's a really cool effect. It's going to even make your video look professional if you're creating a B-roll. This is how you add a fade in and a fade out using the effects which are defaultly provided by Premiere Pro.